摩托车。
On Tuesday, April 18, 2023, affected by the southerly airflow, heavy rain occurred in Quanzhou City, Fujian. Some low-lying roads in Licheng, Fengs, Jinjiang, Nanning and other places were flooded due to the water accumulated.
整箱的菜呀、摩托车啊，全部往下飘。
According to statistics, there are 20 towns in the city with cumulative precipitation exceeding 25 millimeters, of which 8 towns have more than 50 millimeters of precipitation, among which Shangyong Town, Dehua, has the most 77.6 millimeters. The maximum hourly rainfall was 33 millimeters in Fujian Town, Yangcheng.
阳光路积水了，你那车子啊不好玩啊。
首先危险自觉风行。首先危险自觉风行。
Affected by the heavy rain, there was serious water accumulation near Quetang Community, Luishan Street, and the sewers around residential homes were blocked. The fire rescue station arrived at the scene in time to clean up the garbage and opened the water cover to drain water to alleviate the water accumulation. In addition, a van in Jinjiang City was flooded after heavy rain. Local fire rescue personnel quickly rescued and towed the car back to the surface. Later, the Quanzhou Meteorological Observatory has issued the orange rainstorm warning. It is expected that in the next 12 hours, there will be foggy weather, with a visibility of less than 500 meters in some towns, streets and coastal areas of the municipal area. In the next few days, some towns in the city will have thunder and lightning, accompanied by short-term heavy precipitation, 6 to 8 level thunderstorms and strong convective weather.